Best way I can describe it, and this is no textbook definition, this is just a Carolyn Blunt-ism, it's about binding the customer to you so that they don't want to go anywhere else. There is still the fundamental requirement for all your agents to be trained in what you want for good telephone techniques. So we're going to start thinking, okay, we're binding the customers to us, but equally our employees are totally part of that as well. We can't bind the customers if we haven't bound the employees first. But it just gives you a bit of an understanding, hopefully, that my background is very much based in the contact centre industry. So I used to work for Fujitsu Services. So a lot of the stuff that I'm going to touch on today in terms of employee journeys of development and things like that was stuff that I tried and tested when I was working as a trainer. Don't really want them to be worrying about that. I'd rather they focused on building rapport and giving that customer a personalised service that meets their needs.